Hi everybody. We're going to do just a short video on how to download the Kaltura Capture software. So I am in Blackboard, and what we're going to do is we're going to go over here on the left side to Tools. And when we click Tools, we're going to see these four tools. I think you'll see all four, and we're going to go to Kaltura My Media. When we click on Kaltura My Media, it's going to take just a second to load, and it's going to come up and say that you have no entries. But when we do Add New right here, and you'll see some different options. We're going to do Kaltura Capture. When we click on Kaltura Capture, we're going to be taken to the download window. So for most people, we're going to have a download for Windows. I'm going to put the information on both downloading for Windows and downloading for Mac in the Information tab. But I'm going to click on Download for Windows. And we're going to see it's going to come down here like most things do when you're downloading something. And it's going to take just a second, depending on your internet speed. So we're going to click on it, and it's going to give us an installer, just the wizard, just like most things do. We're going to click Next, Next, Install. You're going to see it go through the things it needs to get Kaltura Capture ready. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Okay, so I paused the video for a couple minutes so that you wouldn't have to sit through all the file changes, but eventually you're going to get the end of your wizard. We're going to have a finish. So when you click finish, you're going to see the wizard box is probably going to disappear. When we minimize your browser, you're going to see that you now have a new desktop icon called Kaltura Capture. Yeah, so it is on there. You can see I double clicked it and it said, go to your platform. So what we're going to do, we're just going to go back to our tools. We're going to go to Kaltura My Media. Now when we do Add New and we go to Kaltura Capture, this time we get this Open Kaltura Capture box instead of just the download window. So when we hit Open Kaltura Capture, it's going to take just a second. You can see the application is loading, and you're going to see this is our Kaltura menu. So there's different things that you can do. For our purposes, we will have to be able to record the screen, and you will have to be able to record from your webcam. So I'm going to do a separate video on this so that you can see, but you are going to see from this video some different choices. So, here's our screen. You're going to see different options for the second, and you're going to see your audio options. But again, we will talk about that in a different video. This is just a short one just so that you could see how you download the Kaltura Capture software.